To Pramod Nainapalli YouTube channel. Today we discuss effect of substituents and acidity of phenol. Phenol is a substance which donate hydrogen as a proton, or any substance which donate hydrogen as a proton. According to the Laurie-Bronsted theory, it is an acid. Yes, it is donated hydrogen as a proton. It becomes acid by oxygen will accept a pair of electrons because hydrogen when it leaves it gives a pair of electrons. And we already discussed in the previous video that the stabilization of a phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion is stabilized. The more the stabilization of phenoxide ion, the more the acidic. So the stabilization of phenoxide ion resulted into the acidity of phenols. Why the phenols are acidic means because the phenoxide ion undergone resonance stabilization. Now we are talking about effect of substituents. We know that there are two types of substituents. One is electron donating substituent and other is electron withdrawing. Okay, I take one example. So, methyl group is an electron donating group. You know that it is a weakly electron donating group. I take electron withdrawing one, chlorine. That is electron withdrawing group. So by keeping these substituents on the phenol, whether the acidity will increase or decrease, that is the most important. Whether the acid will increase or decrease. Suppose if I take methyl group, if I substitute the methyl group, say that substitution of methyl group, if suppose I take there is a substitution of methyl group, there is a substitution of methyl group. Methyl group what? Electron donating group. So when electron donating group is kept, whether the acidity is increased or decreased, we have to discuss that part. Whether it will increase the acidic or whether it will decrease the acidity, we have to discuss that particular part. Okay, now this is methyl as such. I am not worried about hydrogen gives as a proton. So phenol formed phenoxide ion because we have kept the effect of substituent. So methyl is an electron donating group. Now let us write the resonance stabilization. Any effect of substituents we can explain only by the resonance stabilization. Now when I write the resonance stabilization, you see that clearly what is going to happen means we can find here the resonance stabilization structure. What is that resonance stabilization structure? This gives a pair of electrons. Okay, it gives the pair of electrons. Okay, so already if it is giving, it is having two lone pair of electrons. Totally three lone pair of electrons because when hydrogen is leaving, it gives a pair of electrons. Now what happens? It is having as such two lone pair of electrons. As a result, what is going to happen means, let us discuss about the effect of substituent. I keep some electron donating group. Say that electron donating group I substituted at ortho position. Now what happens to the acidity of phenols? That is what our question. What happens to the acidity of phenols? So here if you take two lone pair of electrons and hydrogen gives a pair of electron when it is leaving. So this is the structure. Now any acidity of phenols or any effect of substituents can be explained by resonance stabilization of this phenoxide ion. Now what is going to happen in the resonance stabilization? This gives a pair of electrons. This carbon carries the negative charge because the electrons will come out, it carries the negative charge. Now what is going to form a resonance structure? You get this particular resonance structure. Oh, two lone pair are same, only one lone pair I have taken. Okay, and it carries negative charge. Carbon carries negative charge, same carbon carries methyl group. This is a, say that this is a first structure, this is the second structure. Now this will undergo resonance stabilization. We write as it is, we know already the resonance stabilization. I am not telling you. Moves towards the charge will come here. So I write directly. I don't take much time to write this. We have to explain the effect of substituent. Okay. Now this bond will come towards here and here it will go. As a result, you get another charge, another one, that is this negative charge will form here and it gives O. Now what happens? These electrons are given to the ring. This pi electrons once again taken back, and again you get the same phenoxide ion. You get same phenoxide ion. Now I write methyl group on all ortho position. Okay, you got it. So this is the 1, 2, 3, or you can give it as just 1 hybrid structure, 2 hybrid, 3, and they will become equivalent 4. Okay, among this structure what happens? The negative charge is dispersed, the pi electrons moved, but you got the first resonance structure. What is that first resonance structure? The carbon holding negative charge, same carbon holding methyl group. What is a methyl group? Methyl group is the electron donating group. It donates the electron to the carbon. Already negative charge. Negative charge means electron rich. Again methyl group is donating means the negative charge will not disperse. It is very simple. The person is a rich. Again if you are poor, you don't give to the rich person means there is no meaningless. You will become more rich. More rich means more and more rich, useless. So same way what happens? Already negative charge in the ring, carbon holding the negative charge, same carbon, when it gives, it will not get resonance stabilization properly. Hence what happens? Electron donating group decreases the acidity. Why it is decreases? Because of resonance hybrid structure. The carbon holding negative charge, same carbon holding methyl group, what happens when it is holding? It gives a pair of electrons. It gives the electrons, donates the electrons. It becomes electron rich. Negative charge will not disperse properly throughout the ring. Hence what happens? The effect of substituent, what we are talking, the effect of substituent, methyl group will not stabilize phenoxide ion. Anything which will not stabilize phenoxide ion will decrease the acidity. If it stabilizes the phenoxide ion, it increases the acidity. Therefore electron donating group decreases the acidity. Suppose instead of the same thing, instead of the electron donating group, I keep some electron withdrawing group. Say that electron withdrawing group, chlorine. Okay. Now what happens? I kept the chlorine. Here also I am replacing with the chlorine. Electron withdrawing group. Simple. I replaced with chlorine. Now whether the chlorine will increase or not. Here you got same resonance structure as that of electron donating group. Here carbon holding negative charge. Same carbon holding chlorine. Negative charge means electron rich. It don't want electron rich. Already it is rich. So it has to draw the electrons in order to make the stabilization. Because if electron deficient, it requires the electron. If it is electron rich, it has to take away the electrons. So what happens? This chlorine is an electron withdrawing group. Hence the chlorine will withdraw the electrons towards itself. It will cause nice dispersal of charge, and it will lead to the dispersal of charge and delocalization of pi electrons. Finally what it will lead means, it will lead into the increase in the stabilization of phenoxide ion. Anything which increase the stability of phenoxide ion will increase the acidity. So electron withdrawing groups will increase the acidity because of the very important structure. Number 1, carbon holding negative charge, same carbon holding the chlorine will increase the acidity. Why they increase the acidity means they draws the electron. Electron withdrawing group draws the electron. Negative charge will go away on this position. What happens? The distribution of negative charge takes effectively. It will cause resonance stabilization. The more the resonance stabilization, the more the acidic. Hence electron withdrawing group increases the acidity. So this is what the effect of substituents. Very simple. Phenol will form a phenoxide. it is an acidic in nature because it donates hydrogen as a proton. So when electron donating groups are there, what happens? The negative charge will not disperse on the particularly the ring in case of phenoxide ion, but electron withdrawing group is there, it will disperse effectively, it will stabilize phenoxide ion, increases the acidity. Electron donating group decreases the acidity, electron withdrawing groups increases the acidity. This is what the effect of substituents on phenols towards the acidic or basic. Thank you one and all.